Hello all you beautiful humans out there, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning out the fridge and the pantry, also the small freezer too. Ended up doing a major grocery haul, and yeah, I left the fridge for way too long and I kind of regret it. I usually like to clean it out every now and then just so that I don't have to do this, but here we are.
Even the walls, I watch them crumble and blame us. I need some shelter, or at least an answer. But I know that it's true. We fight for what we believe. I'm not as strong as I thought I was. Everything we built us to dust. Didn't fall in love with the fire, just to find ourselves a dancing light.
Typically when I clean out the fridge, I'll give it a really good wipe down, and it's usually good that way. But because I am the queen of procrastination and I waited too long to clean my fridge, I decided to take out the shelves and the drawers and give them a good washing because they were in dire need of it.
I need some shelter, or just a reason. Can I hold on to you until I know what is true? I'm not as strong as I thought I was. Everything we built us to dust. Didn't fall in love with the fire, just to find ourselves a dancing light. I'm not as strong as I thought I was. Everything I built, I should dust. I'm not as strong as I thought I was. Everything we built us to dust. Didn't fall in love with the fire, just to find ourselves a dancing light.
Here I'm using a paper towel to get into these creases. I typically use a toothbrush. So here's my friendly advice. Don't procrastinate like me and clean your fridge on a regular basis. 1, it's easier to keep up and maintain. And 2, you're not having to throw out more than what you thought you were going to have to. And here, this is what frustrates me, is that I feel like I'm just throwing money in the garbage. And times are tough, and I hate throwing what would have been perfectly good food out in the garbage. And here I have some homemade, I don't know what it is, guacamole.
You can feel alive now. You can feel alive now. You can feel alive now. You can feel alive.
I believe this is extremely freezer burnt chicken. It's another reason to maintain and sort out your fridge and freezer on a regular basis. The good old pantry clean. I think this is always going to be the bane of my existence. One, my pantry's not very big, so I tend to it ends up getting cluttered and I just throw stuff in there. And I have tried solving this problem or fixing the problem, and it has for the most part. But if you can't tell, my shelves are wire racks. So what I did was I went to the dollar store and I bought like these poster board type things. And then I just put some contact sticky paper on top. And then I got these white shelving to put in there as well to just add extra shelving, just because there wasn't enough room. And so far it helps, but it still gets very cluttered. I'm about to hit a wall right about here and second guess my life choices. This was a lot of work.
People sure think they know what seems best. Too tired to argue, let's give it a rest. Yeah, pay no mind to what I just said. This is a safe place to lightly tread between your arms. I found the light, no gift or charm worth needing between your arms. People should fight for the cause they want, might even ban you to prove a point. Don't call the police, they'll raid this joint. I don't want no trouble, I'll save your place. Give me a double of what fate awaits.
So this is the first time I'm using the pink stuff on my sink. And I'm assuming you use it on the sink. If I'm using this wrong, please let me know. Anyway, what I typically use is baking soda and like some orange essential oils, and it makes my sink so shiny. So I think in another video what I want to do is I want to like use the pink stuff in one sink and the baking soda in another and compare the two and see how it goes. You never know. But I think this turned out pretty good. It was nice and clean, nice and shiny.
Between your arms, I found the light, no gift or charm worth needing.
This tap is so temperamental. You gotta make sure you shut it off properly or it just keeps dripping.
No gift or charm worth needing between your arms.
And thank you all for stopping by. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.